Welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we will be making one of our favorite dishes, spinach ricotta meatless meatballs in our homemade marinara. First up, make sure to drain your ricotta of any extra liquid. We don't want our meatballs to be soggy. Over medium to high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 1 chopped onion. Sauté the onions. Now add 4 cloves of minced garlic. Stir and cook for about 2 minutes. Add approximately 8 cups of fresh spinach. This may seem like a lot, but trust us, it wilts down to about a half a cup. Once sautéed, add to a large bowl and let cool for about 10 minutes. After a few minutes, add 2 cups of ricotta cheese. A half cup of grated Parmesan or Pecorino. Chili pepper flakes are completely optional. 1 egg, 1 cup of breadcrumbs or panko, salt and pepper to taste, and give it a good mix. Once mixed well, roll into 2-inch balls with well-oiled hands. These smell absolutely delicious. Add meatless meatballs to your favorite sauce. We are adding them to our amazing marinara sauce. Simmer on low heat for about 15 minutes. Serve with pasta or polenta. These are light, fluffy, and have a dumpling-like texture. They are cheesy and delicious, and we hope you give them a try. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share with friends. Feel free to comment and give us ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next recipe video, and thank you for joining us on another episode of Plate on a Budget.